Hello friends, in this video we will see how to download and install Java JDK in Windows. We will also set the environment variables path. So if you want to understand about JDK, I have created a video, so you can see that uh, from the link given in the description or from the I button. First let us download the JDK. So open the browser and type JDK download. So here you will get a official link from the Oracle. So in this we have the newer versions Java 18, 19 and 17. These are the new versions. If you want the older versions, you can go down here and Java 8 and 11 are available. So for the older versions, it will ask you to log in. So after you log in, after you create the account and log in, then only it will download these versions. So we will go with the newer versions. In that we will download the Java 17. So it is given for all the three machines. So we will go with Windows and we will download this installer here, exe file. Just click on this and you can see the download is started. It will take some time. Here you can see that the JDK is downloaded and we have a exe file here in the download section of this PC. You need to double click on this and give the permission. Now you can see the installation has started, so we need to click next. Here you can change the directory, so I want to change this, so click on this and go outside this. In the C drive I want a folder called Java. Now sorry inside the Java I need a folder JDK 17 because this is Java 17. So inside this I want this to be installed, so click on OK. So here you can see in the C drive the Java folder in JDK 17 folder. So click on next and the installation process has been started. Wait for some time. So you can see here we got a message that the JDK is successfully installed. So close this and let's go to the place where we have installed this. So in the C drive, in the Java folder I have created, inside this folder, inside the JDK 17 folder, we have our JDK installed. I have installed this JDK here by creating a Java folder out in the C drive because to keep track of the JDKs. So you can even choose to install the JDK by with the given default path. So that will be installed inside this programming files, and here there will be a Java folder. Inside that JDK will be installed. So I have created here because if we download other versions of Java, then you can uh, install that here and keep track of that. Now the JDK is installed, so let us see the version of this JDK through command prompt to confirm that it is installed and working properly. So in this Windows, you just need to write command prompt cmd, open this and write Java So we are getting an error here that Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So you need to add the environment system and path of this JDK in system environment variable to point out that JDK is here and the bin folder is here. Now let us set the environment variables. So in this Windows you need to write env. So we will get this, edit the system environment variables. Just need to type this and we'll get a suggestion. Click on this. Here you need to click on environment variables, and in this user variables you need to click on new, and here you need to give the name, variable name. So let us give java underscore home. In this variable, in this value you need to give the path of the jdk installed. So we'll give this path where the jdk is installed. Copy this, and in the environment variables here you need to paste this path. Click on ok, and you can see we got the java home here. Now in this path you need to give the uh, path to this bin folder here, jdk bin folder. So copy this path, and here you need to create a new and paste the path. So we have given the path of the bin here, and click on ok. Now again click on ok, and let us see that the java, the environment variables are set or not. So when previously we have written the java, it was not recognizing. So let us write it again after setting the path. Let's write here java. Okay. So you need to open the new command prompt here. So open cmd. You can say the new command prompt. You need to write the java. So you can see we got the suggestions. Different commands we can write. So you can see here after setting the, after we have set the environment variables, java is recognized, the java keyword is recognized. Now let us write java version. So you can see we got 17 version that we have installed. This is how you download, install and set the environment path. Now the, as the jdk is installed in machine, you can, in windows you can start with your first program to write the first program in java, that we'll see in the next video.